Today, I'm back at Brantley to walk you through each model home before it opens to the public. With early access to the community, I've already secured multiple homes for my clients during the pre-selling phase. If you're interested in taking advantage of early incentives and strong pricing, stay tuned. Hi everyone! 안녕하세요. 你好. I'm Lauren Chenfu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. Today, we're touring the Parklane model, one of the top-selling single-story floor plans here at Brantley. This is a single-story home that offers 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, 2 to 3 car garage, and 2,462 square feet or more of well-designed living space. The Parklane is especially popular for its spacious layout and high ceilings, which create an open, airy feel throughout the home. Everything is on one level, making it ideal for buyers who value convenience, comfort, and easy day-to-day living. This floor plan balances functionality and style beautifully, offering generous living areas, comfortable bedroom sizes, and a layout that feels both practical and refined. It's no surprise that the Parklane continues to be one of the most in-demand models in the Brantley community. If you're looking for a single-story home that delivers space, elegance, and long-term livability, the Parklane is definitely one you'll want to see in person. Take a look at this kitchen center island. This is an upgrade feature that truly transforms the space and makes the island feel like a luxury centerpiece rather than just a functional surface. The added detail, scale, and finish elevate the entire kitchen and really set the tone for high-end living. The living room, dining area, and kitchen flow seamlessly together, creating a space that feels both expansive and welcoming. This is the kind of layout that works just as well for everyday living as it does for hosting gatherings or entertaining guests. The Parklane model starts in the mid-$900,000, making it one of the best value opportunities in the Brantley community. And just like the other models, there are quick move-in homes available. So if you want early access to the best lots and incentives, now is the perfect time to explore. You'll also find a large walk-in closet, providing plenty of storage without compromising on style. Even with its standard configuration, this single-story home offers generous living space, high ceilings, and a layout that feels open, spacious, and extremely livable. For buyers who need more flexibility, there is also an option to add an additional suite, making it ideal for guests, extended family, or multi-generational living. Because of its thoughtful design and efficient use of space, the Parklane feels larger than the square footage suggests. The single-story layout combined with elevated ceiling heights creates a sense of ease and comfort that works beautifully for everyday living. Also, don't forget to watch my other video covering Brantley's pre-selling opportunities, link in the description. I'll help you secure the most favorable deals before they're gone. I get fresh updates from the builder almost every day, since I have multiple ongoing deals in this community and take my clients on tours regularly. So, if you want instant access to insider information, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll make sure you don't miss a thing. If you found this tour helpful, make sure to check out my other video on Brantley's pre-selling opportunities, where I break down exclusive incentives and early access deals in more detail. Because I work closely with the builder and have multiple active clients in this community, I receive daily updates on pricing, availability, and incentives. If you'd like insider access or want to tour these homes in person, feel free to reach out. I'll make sure you're positioned to get the best possible terms. Even at this pre-selling stage, many of the best home sites with premium views are already gone, which shows how quickly this community is moving. The remaining opportunities won't last long, especially as we get closer to the public grand opening. The builder is aiming for a grand opening by the end of January. And with interest rates likely heading down, I truly want to make sure my viewers and clients don't miss this window. Contact me today for the best pricing details and exclusive builder incentives. You don't want to miss this one. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Lauren Chenfu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. See you in the next one.